Hello student fraternity and welcome back. In today's video, I will be sharing my experience of internship at Hilti India. And today's video I have broken down into three parts. In the first part, we will learn about company Hilti and its competitive strengths, strategic analysis, and its different revenue model, and if its different working model, applications, and different tools in Hilti. Then in second part, I will be telling you how to develop a business plan in 5 simple steps. In third part, I will be telling you the methodology of work which I carried out during internship, and I will be sharing some of my suggestions to the company based on my analysis, and I will be giving the report in the description. So stay tuned. So about Hilti. Hilti was founded in 1941 and Hilti is market leader in fastening and demolition technology. They work with different construction companies, demolition companies, mining companies, so that these companies get different tools at reasonable price and they make their sites more safer and their operations are more efficient. Hilti has employed over 25,000 people in more than 120 countries, and on day-to-day basis they serve clients more than 250,000 both at online stores, at their real-time stores, and on sites. Let me read out their motto to you. They say to grow as global leader, create products that are innovative, different, and stand out from rest of the world. In some of the instances, their CEO once said, "Let us not wait for the future to come. Let us shape it together." So coming to the strategic analysis of company and analyzing its value proposition, Hilti has decentralization model and they ensures availability of their different tools in different parts of the country, in different parts of the world, at any time, at any place. And coming to the customer segmentation, their customers are different construction companies, mining companies, and demolition companies all around the world, which uses their drills, fasteners, and different tools. Then coming to their key resources, they have premium quality tools which gives long-term commercial values to their customers. And the key activities of the companies are sales management, fleet management, and product innovation. So sales management is the sales of different tools which they sell to their different customers and their different clients. And then coming to the fleet management is Hilti ensures that there is a proper return on investment on different tools. So they keep the maintenance, availability, and replacement of the tools in line with the customer's wish. Then coming to the product innovation, they collaborate with different internal and external stakeholders to make sure that their product is best and their product's ROI is best among their competitors. So now coming to the revenue model of Hilti, they have different kind of services and products. So the first among them is their on-site consultation services. So they the professional of the company go on site for different consultancy services, and they go help in correct and find affordable solution to the clients. The second is the subscription plans by customers. They sell their different tools to the mining companies, construction companies, and another is they have their both online and real brick and mortar stores from which customer can walk in and buy their different tools. And also they sell their services and some kind of very innovative softwares and in construction and maintenance services. So coming to the competitive strategy of Hilti, it is availability, direct targeting of customer. Then third is rent, using rent instead of sales. The Hilti stores are widely spread over Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, Jaipur, Kolkata, Gurgaon, Haridwar, Indore, Nagpur, and various major other cities of India. And speaking of the application, the masonry fastening, layout, masonry, cutting, rebarring, chiseling, breaking, concrete, pour, finish, fastening, cutting, pouring, foamwork, etc. are few of the applications of different tools. And these are few tools I have shown in the picture. So in the second part of video, we will learn how to develop a business development plan in 5 simple steps. The basic idea is to know the internal know-how of clients. So the first is to target the definite and the correct customers. The second is to research various factors which drives the decision making of your client. Third is determine your competitive advantage, that how you are better than others. Fourth is to choose a specific strategy as per that competitive strength. Fifth is to choose proper tactics in order to tap the market. So now coming to the methodology of work, it was calling the potential customer, and the idea behind this was to influence the customer over call so that they can open up, and it was an opportunity for one-on-one conversation with the potential customer to allow their queries, to answer their queries and to build trust. So it was a 3-step process, and the 40% of it included the judgment, how the customer is and what is his or her need. And the second step constituted 30%, and it was to state the purpose of call and to record the requirement. And the third was to close the call and finish the call with a thanking note for sparing their time and develop a positive goodwill of the company. So this is the calling report which I made based on my analysis and based upon the conversation which I had with the clients. Now coming to the outcome of my internship and what I leveraged through this telecalling. So the very first thing was one-on-one basis of customer service, and another was to promote our product and services in the market, and the third was customer survey to know how the customer is behaving in the market, what are their needs and their requirements. And the last was it was a promising act of developing very meaningful leads. So now, based on my research, these are few suggestions I want to give to Hilti in order to maximize the revenue. First is, many potential customers require regular follow-up and maintenance service, so Hilti should focus on that. Second is to develop individual value proposition for the different customer in NCR region. Third is to offer rebate and different coupon programs, subscriptions of sales and different schemes to enhance customer loyalty. Fourth is Hilti should introduce more equipment and reduce the price in order to capture the untapped market and in order to compete with different competitors like Bosch, Makita, Fisher, Würth, etc. Fifth is to bundle and upsell product to raise revenue and to reduce the service charge of existing customers. And the sixth is to communicate more and more with your customer. Communication is the key. And keep a track of upcoming potential construction projects. And the last is to motivate their team. So I hope that I made sense to the topic I was given in the internship and it was meaningful to you all guys. And if you have any doubt, if you want to suggest anything, please comment and tell me. And I will link the presentation, or I will upload the presentation in the description below. So till then, stay tuned. Bye bye. Happy learning.